Hello, and this is part 2 of narrating a dog's life because I have nothing else to do yeah. Anyways, the bacon's done. So yummy, but it's hot, so I'm not gonna burn my hands off. I'm gonna burn my hand off. I'm gonna burn my hand off if I eat it, so we're not eating it yet. Let's go back to narrating my dog's life. Where is he? Wait a second. He was barking, so... Nope. He's not on the count. Where is he? Auntie! I wonder where he is. Oh, found him. And this is part 2 of narrating a dog's life. As we see, we have the dog walking here. He wants the bacon, so he's looking at me because I'm the closest one to the bacon. But anyway, he walks over here and says, "Why are you narrating my life?" So he continues walking. So I continue walking. Hey, try not to stub my toe because I'm not looking at the ground. There he goes to the kennel. But I opened the kennel yeah. Oh, and now he is sitting. Also, this dog is weird because sometimes he sits with his belly up like a human. He's weird. But he's still the cutest and best dog and only dog I have. And now I go look at the bacon to see if it's cooled off. Is the bacon cooled off?
Maybe.
And I will test if the bacon is cooled off. Hi, I'm making a part 2 of a video I made a few minutes ago. Hello. And now she walks away. I test if bacon is hot. Bacon is kind of cooled off. It's delicious.
You should probably put bacon on other plates too, or if you will, just eat it all.
Yeah.
Here.
And now I'm gonna stop this video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye!